Okay guys, welcome back. So I gave you an expression to simplify. So I'm expecting an answer which is 4ab minus 3ab plus 15a, which give us nothing but ab plus 15a, the expression that we get. X over 3 plus x over 6. Obviously, we need to look for the LCM of this number, which is equals to 6. So if the LCM is 6, it means we put 6 here. 2 times this number, 2x. 6 here is 1, which is x. So the final expression is 3x over 6. Then we simplify a fraction, which is 3 over 6. We get nothing but 1 and 2. So our final answer is x over 2 here. Let us do another example. A over 6 plus x plus 1 over 5. So here the LCM is equals to 30. Then that is our common denominator. So 6 into 30 is 5. So 5a. 5 into 30 is 6. So it's plus 6 times this number. So bracket here x plus 1. So we get 5a plus we need to expand here. So we get 6x plus 6 all over 30. So can we simplify this? Yes, we can simplify. How? By dividing both sides by each number. For example, if you are to represent this number as 5a over 30 plus 6x over 30 plus 6 over 30. It means here it's 1, here it's 5. Here it's 1, here it's 5 again. Here it's 1, here it's 6 again. So the LCM of all this is going to be 30, which is this 30. If that is the case, then everything is going to be maintained as a plus x plus 1. This will be our final solution after simplifying. Don't understand? You can end here. But if you need to go further to get more marks, you have to simplify up to here. Now, I'm giving you yours. I want you to simplify x over 7 plus 2x over 3.